Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you two alternatives for partitioning your hard disk or SSD. So the first one is the Windows Computer Management tool and the second one will be DiskGenius. So let's see the advantages of each. How do you reach the disk management tool is by right clicking on your disk PC, right click and then click manage. I actually have a few disks on my PC. So the first two here are the ones installed internally on my laptop, and then the last two are the external ones. What I want to show you here, under normal circumstances, you can actually resize the partitions. Let's say this one I have G and H. You can resize or shrink partition freely. However, the computer management tool, which is built in on Windows, has some limitation. Number one is that in some situations, you may not shrink the volume even though you have enough space on the disk. Let's say, for example, on my system G right here, I have 73 gigabytes free. But if you see the shrink here, just now I right click shrink, I actually cannot shrink it further. The enter amount space to shrink is 0. So you cannot shrink it further. And this is because some of the files are a bit fragmented on the disk. If we want to illustrate that, so let's say this is the disk and some of your files are located in this location, and then you copy another file, it is located in this location, and then you have few gigabytes of file that is located in this location, and then at some point you are erasing some chunks of your files. So let's say you are erasing it over here. So means at this point you are only able to resize this part of the drive. So you have a few alternatives there, whether you defragment the hard drive first so that this chunk of the drive will move over here after the defragmentation so that you can shrink this part of the drive. I'll give you another example of drive H here, which is NTFS. So in this case, drive H is quite simple and is not as fragmented as the system G right here. So you can see that we can shrink quite a lot. That is the first limitation of the computer management tool. And the second limitation is that you can only shrink or extend NTFS drives. Now, how do we deal with non-NTFS drives? Let's take a look at our second tool. So this is the second tool that I'm going to show you, which is DiskGenius, which is free to use for our purpose for partitioning the hard drive. I have 4 drives on my computer, 2 internal and 2 external. So even for my flash drive here, which is in exFAT format, I can actually resize this. So there's an option here to resize the partition. So therefore we can create like 2 partition in the flash drive. So let's say the new capacity is 10 gigabytes. Create a new partition on that by just clicking it. Okay, let's start that. Okay, the process is running. Now it is complete. Now actually we have 2 partitions on the flash drive. I have this 4 gigabytes and then I have J, which are coming from the same flash drive. It's just a simple flash drive. And then what is great about that, actually we can specify which area of the drive that we want to resize. Okay, so actually we can take out, for example, the right side of the G to make space for the H, or we can take out the left side of H to give space for G. So to make it easier, I'll just give you one example using my flash drive here for experiment purposes. On the 10 gigabytes, I actually have some files there. So when I do the resize, if for example I'm taking out the left part of the flash drive, I do have some files there. So what this Genius will do is that it will move the chunk of the files from the left side to the middle side, to the blue area here. So therefore, it can create some space on the left side. This takes more time compared to if you are doing it on the right, very likely, because the disk will start to fill in from the left. If you are creating it on the right side, it will be much faster than you are creating it on the left. And it also depends on whether your disk is actually used for your system. If you are resizing drive C, for example, then the computer will need to restart to complete the process because it needs to go out of the OS to do so. Now, I have the free space 1.7 gigabytes. So actually this Genius does all this in a genius way, means if it needs to move some files, it will do so. before any process like shrinking or resizing. Also, the advantage of this tool is that it allows you to partition any types of partition like FAT partition, especially because you cannot do that with the built-in tool from Windows. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.